Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'll show you how I braided my hair. So let's get started with the video. Brush your hair. Take a small section like this and divide 3 equal sections in this only. Now start braiding your hair. Take the top part under the middle part. Now this is your middle part, and now take the bottom part under the middle part. Braid your hair like this once or twice, then start adding small section of hair from both sides. I don't braid my hair in very super sleek way or or very tight, because I have very big ass face, so that is why I don't like my hair to be super sleek and not poking out any hair. I keep my braid close to my ear, but if you don't like this way, you can take it behind. As you can see, I have done the other side, but it looks very weird, so I did it again. Divide into 3 small sections, then take the top part under the middle part, and this is the middle part, and take the bottom part under the middle part, and then start adding small sections from the both sides. How it's frustrating when you can't able to do that. It's quite frustrating. I also struggled, but once you get the idea, once you get the grip, it's easy for you then. If you find this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more videos.